Yo, what's going on, guys? So we actually got back from my uncle's house yesterday, but like I just uploaded 2 videos. That was from his house. It was just like 2 separate days. And right now I think I'm just gonna go do some flips before I have to leave to my mom's work. There's nothing to do there at all, so I'm gonna like try to finish half of the video right now and then half after we come back. I think the trampoline is a little bit wet, so I'm probably gonna have to drain it or whatever. Let me go check real quick. Oh yeah, that's wet. I don't think it's that wet on the trampoline itself, but I'm gonna have to check that also. I can't really tell through the camera because I always look through the camera when I show y'all stuff. Well, let's go ahead and get right into these flips because I'm just basically talking about nothing right now. And let me set this up.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, so I'm at my mom's work now, and I don't know if I got the clip or not, but while I was doing flips I kind of hurt my ankle and I got a bandage wrap on it or whatever, but I'm pretty sure I'll still be able to do flips because I was doing a few earlier on the ground. But basically guys, I just figured that I would turn this day into a vlog, so that's what I'm gonna do. Most of y'all guys probably don't know this, but my brother, the kid that's sometimes in my videos, this guy right here, he likes scootering, so I think I'm just gonna like video him a little bit doing his tricks on his scooter. And he can't really do anything, but he's trying to get a tail whip, so if he gets that, that'll be something good in the video. I'm pretty sure he can do it, guys, but he's really just got to commit. Just swing it around harder. I'm not really a scooter rider, but does it help if you like pull up your shoulders whenever you pick up the bar? Yeah, would that help?
I don't know.
Probably not. I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Keep it down lower.
Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, right now. Oh! I think you would be able to, like, I think you basically have it whenever you're doing that.
I need to go higher.
Yeah.
Like, my feet need to go higher.
Because like whenever you were just doing that, like your foot was like right there on the edge, and I think if you would have like, I don't know, jumped a little bit higher, you would have had it.
Here, let me practice my phone.
As you can tell, guys, I have no idea what I'm talking about, so I'm just gonna video him. Oh, that was probably your closest one. You have it. Alright guys, well my brother is still trying to get this tail whip over here. Probably can't even see him, but he's over there in the road somewhere. I want to show you guys something real quick on my phone. Hold on. Right here. So guys, basically what I'm trying to show y'all is subscribe. If you watch my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Because as you can tell right here, people that are not subscribed watch my videos more. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. That's basically all I want to tell y'all guys real quick. And I don't know why I was in my mom's car, but I just happened to go in there. Oh, and I know why I was putting my camera back up. I'm out here again, watching him trying to get his tail whip. Think you're gonna get it today? No. Why?
I don't know.
You have to grind. Grind. You have to grind, mate. I'm gonna bust one for the camera. kind of missed the entire scooter.
I mean, like, my deck isn't going all the way around.
Maybe you could just like attach a board or something to your scooter so you like land no matter what. Yeah, seems legit. Probably cheating, but you know, you never know, you never know. Try to like jump and kick with one foot and then like, here, let me show you. Basically what I'm trying to tell you is, can you like jump and like whenever you jump, like take your foot off and go like that? Like, is that like somewhat possible or something?
Maybe.
Like if you like jump high enough to where you can just kick it with your right or left foot and then cruise, I don't know.
Oh wait, like jump all the way off and then like.
Yeah, like jump, like all this, and then you like kick it and then land.
Maybe.
I know I couldn't, but this is all I can do. Can't even, hold on, let me get this. I just did it like 3 seconds ago. Cruising. Get trucked. Alright, I'm done with this. Like whenever you jump, like whichever foot you feel comfortable with, just like smack it and then it'll like spin really fast. Yeah, like that, but like jump high enough to where you can. See, that kind of looked like it worked some. You'll get it soon, that's all I know. I know I'm not. All I can do is a bar spin and it doesn't even look good. Show the viewers your best trick. What's your best trick?
180.
Alright, do it. Let's see it. Okay, okay. Now do that. Like ride backwards a little bit and then 180 out of it again. Try it. Oh. Oh, that was close. I'm pretty sure I cannot do that, so. Now try to do like a bar spin and then 180. Like bar spin and then like ride a little and then 180, like pretty much right after.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Alright, any other tricks you want to show the camera or the viewers?
I'll try one.
Alright. You were close. Well, it looked like it was. I bet you I can do that.
Wait, just turn out of it?
Yeah, like do what you said you were gonna do. Like
Or 180.
half spin and then half spin or whatever.
Oh, just that?
Land that. You're literally right there. You landed it though. Hold on, let me try that. I'm gonna try this real quick. Okay, that's harder than it looks. Does that count?
Yep.
Alright, hold on, let me. What else should I do? Bar spin?
Do a half and then turn out, then bar spin. So,
Half.
like half
Like
bar
this?
spin. No, just like a half.
Like boom,
Yeah,
boom,
bar spin.
Alright. I'm used to razors, so this is a big upgrade for me. Oh, hold on, let me do that again. I think I can. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm never gonna tailwhip, that's all I know. Alright, so I'm done filming here at my mom's work because we're about to leave anyways. And then I'm just gonna probably finish this video off with flips. If my ankle's feeling it, it was pretty good on the impact of the scooter, and that's like, it's like pretty big, I guess you could say. And I was doing flips on the ground a minute ago, so that was good also. Let's see what he does, let's see what he does. Oh, my head was in the way. But that's the first time I've ever done anything like decent on a scooter, is that half bar spin or whatever you want to call it. And I know it really wasn't even good. It's probably pretty cringy if any of y'all ride scooters. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and then I'll see you guys at my house. Alright guys, I'm not going to talk a lot right now because we just got home and it's already almost dark. So I'm going to go outside, do a few flips before it does get dark. I'm probably not even going to do that much because I'm like not going to be able to warm up or anything before it gets dark. Probably just going to be a few simple ones, and then I'll have to call it a day. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty much all over the place, and I didn't really even get to do that many flips because it got dark like right there. Like you can tell in those clips that it was already getting dark, so that's why there really wasn't that many. But this video was just basically going to be a vlog anyways, so that's what it turned out to be. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video because I still have to edit and everything. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed, and if you want to see more vlogs like this after school, let's get 50 likes and I'll try to do one tomorrow. But other than that, subscribe if you're new. Drop a like if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.